Wow, man, those wheels are smooth. It's feeling good. Cruiser board versus normal board. What's the difference? What's the fuss all about? I'm gonna answer all of your questions right now. Okay, starting with the normal board. Okay, so the normal board, well, this is my board, my personal skateboard, and I skate a 7.75, meaning the measurement from here to there is 7.75 inches. I don't know how long this is, probably 31, 32. Okay, now this board is a cruiser board. A lot of people will start out on a board like this. Not only can you start out on a board like this, but you could actually just fully learn to skate and do tricks on a board like this. So some people get into skateboarding and they go, I just want to ride. You know, I just really want to ride. So this board, I don't know the measurements, I haven't measured this, but I think it's around 10 inches. Probably goes around 10 inches, maybe a little bit skinnier here. And yeah, it's kind of similar, about 31, but this cruiser board specifically, this is called the Best Beginner Cruiser Board, super sick board, and I'll go over the difference of every piece, and then we're gonna skate it. But I wanted to show you guys, this board is twin tail, so you can kind of do tricks off both sides. This one you can, but it's gonna be a lot harder to do tricks off this nose, because it's very small. The tail, on the other hand, is very big. So for a beginner, you have a wide surface area, you have a wide tail. Can be easier to start on. But now the big difference between the cruiser and the regular board comes in the wheels. Specifically, the wheels are a lot different. So these wheels, let's see if it says on here, Bones Wheels Rough Riders All-Terrain Formula 80A. So 80A means that these are very soft. These are harder. So when these wheels hit the ground, they're harder, and these are soft. You can hear it's sort of a thud instead of a slam. And these ones, in terms of like hardness of wheels, are also quite soft. I much prefer a softer wheel because the ride is so much cleaner and you have to do less pushes. It's nice and smooth. So a push on this does not equal the same as a push on this. These wheels are really smooth, really nice to ride. And if you have like rough gravel or like rough sidewalks in front of your house, you want to roll a cruiser wheel. 80A is going to be a really nice ride for you. Okay, so now what's the difference on these with tricks? Can you still do tricks on both of them? And I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what it's about. Okay, so now we're going to do tricks on both of these. Let's start with this guy. Okay, I'm going to do an ollie on this, then an ollie on that. We'll see the difference. Let's go. Okay, this is obviously my board, so I'm very used to it, very used to riding it. And this is not. But the thing that I think is cool about this is not only can you learn to ride, but you can also learn to do ollies. So if you're like, I don't want to do tricks, I just want to skate from point A to point B, this is to get around my campus, you can get this board and you can just skate on it. And you can just ride, and it'll be a much nicer ride than that board because the wheels are softer. Oh yeah, this thing. It's like being on a dream. But let's see if it can still ollie. Oh, it does. It feels different, and I'll tell you why. It feels like the board is short, but thank God it has this little piece of the nose there, so my foot doesn't go off. Otherwise, I probably would have fell. Probably should start doing the tricks like this. Good. I'm gonna do another ollie and just get the feel of this thing. I can tell you though, the ride is so much nicer. It's actually so much nicer, really nice. Ollie. Woohoo! So fun. Okay, another guy, another one. Wow. Okay, next trick. I'm not gonna do all the beginning tricks, but some of them. Let's do frontside 180 and see how the difference. I'm interested because the frontside 180, I utilize the nose a lot. So on this trick, I would always land heavy on the front foot because then I can pivot, but I need that nose. So let's see how it goes with this. Wow, let's check this. Wow! Actually, honestly, just as easy. Surprising. Nose Manny. We got this for days, for nights, and for months. Because, man, those wheels are smooth. Okay, front 180 it is. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's see if it can do the 1 foot flip tricks. Wow, first try? So much different than this board though. It's actually just so much different. What's weird is switching back and forth because they ride so much differently. The board feels so different. So really got to get it dialed. Okay, backside 180. Woo-wee! No commentary. I'm going straight to this board to see how we're feeling. Wow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like it. I like this board. It's feeling good. It's feeling fresh. But I know what you're thinking. Yeah, Aaron, you're pretty much just riding and doing the easiest tricks you know. Ollies and 180s, yeah, give me a break. But what about a shove it? Let's see that. Let's see if I can pop shove it this bad boy. Well, this one I better be able to, because it's my board. But this one, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's see, let's see. How are we feeling? Whoa! Bailed, almost lost my whole life. Everything flashed before my eyes. Glass skateboard, everything. Okay, let's give it another go. Pop shove. Okay, we're gonna take it. We like that. Now, onto the ultimate test, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm a little nervous. Kickflip, can I kickflip it? First try. Okay, I was feeling pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Okay, next guy. This one. This is way more surface area to flip. There's way more effort. I should probably do it going still. Oh! I 100% had that. It was all mental, 100% mental. You know what, I should have just committed. Wow! It's interesting the difference though, because on that board, I like think of my flick as like going off the front side of the nose. And on this one, there's not really much of a nose. There is a little bit, it's small, but it's still there, but it's just different. Okay, so let's kickflip it. Wow! Felt like I was going too far off the front, but that was very interesting. Okay, let's see. Wow! Okay, interesting. Okay, so obviously key differences. You have, I'm gonna move them this way. Key differences, you have a big difference in board shape, right? This one is much wider. If you just want to ride, if all you want to do is ride, get this. But definitely get one that looks like this. Actually, you should just get this exact one because you're gonna have fun learning to ride and then you're gonna go, I want to do tricks. And you need a board like this to do tricks on. This one's wider, this one's skinnier. These wheels are softer, smoother ride. This one's better for tricks. If you want to learn all the tricks, go straight to a board like this. You can actually get the best beginner complete version of this. Great starter board, great board for you to learn on. Best beginner complete cruiser, both amazing. But the difference there being, what is your intention? You wanna do tricks? Go here. You wanna just cruise? Get this, because it's gonna be a way more fun cruise on this than it will be on this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Get out there and have an absolute blast learning to ride your skateboard. I will personally teach you everything you need to know on the Braille Skateboarding Academy. Click that link below and sign up. We'll see you in there.